Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shamia Televes. I'm here to take you guys on mathematics topic, angles of elevation and depression. Now, I'm going to explain what is angle of elevation. Now, this angle of elevation is when, like, looking upwards, you understand? Like, sighting something, maybe a bird or on top of a tree, you understand? The angle there between your eye level and the line for you to sight the bird, that angle in between them is called the angle of elevation. Why the angle of elevation? Maybe I'm trying to sight a stone or look at a stone. My two eyeballs, my eye level is on the stone, on the ground. Then that is my normal eye level, yes. Then before I look at the stone, bringing my eye level down, the angle there is in between them is the angle of depression. So now, remember, angle of elevation is up, while angle of depression is down. Now, we're going to solve this question. Understand? So this is number one question. Let's read it. The angles of depression of a point P on the ground from the top of a building is 23.6 degrees. If the distance from P to the foot of the building is 50 meters, calculate correct to the nearest meter the height of the building. Now, for us to start with this question, the angles of depression now from the point P. Let's take solution now. Let's hear the point. You understand? On the ground from the top of a building is 23.6 degrees. So let's review the here. So angle of depression. Let's say this is the normal way to review this is. So the angle of depression to the point P. So now here is our angle from the top of the building is okay. That is 23.6 degrees. If the distance from P to the foot of the building is 50 meters, that means we're going to have, because it's on the same ground, you understand? So it's going to be, the distance is 50 meters. Calculate correct. Okay, calculate that is common. Correct to the nearest meter the height of the building. So this is the height, this is the building, so we're looking for the height. You understand? Now, remember, this is wire question, mostly for wire students. You understand? This is wire question, so as an answer to them. Not only wire question, I also solve jam question. You understand? So, for this one, this particular question is a wire question. So, let's continue with the question. Let's continue with our solving. So now, this is our diagram. We have drawn our diagram. It now remains, just what is left for us is the solving. You understand? So we are asked to look for the height of the building. Now, in alternate angles are equal, you understand? So this is the alternate angle. This is the alternate angle. This is the alternate angle, that is 23.6 degrees. You understand? So for us to find the height is not an issue, it's not an issue for us. So let's look for to find the height of the building. Labeled H. Small letter H. That is what? We now say we're going to make use of trigonometry. You understand? So that is, these are opposites and these are adjacents. So for us using SOHCAHTOA, we're going to make use of this. Opposites, adjacents. That is what? Tan make use of opposites and adjacents. So tan 23.6 degrees is is equals to, the opposite is h, and my adjacent is what? 50 meters. So to cross multiply, if we cross multiply, we have h is equals to tan 23.6 times 50. That is my h, whatever we get there. And now that is our final answer. That is our final answer. So for this question, maybe let's do one more question before we can call it a day. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. Please, it's going to do us a lot of good for us. At least, if our upcoming WAEC students will look at this video and at least solve this video. I'm a student of the Connect College, and I wish you well, especially the SS2 students about to write WAEC. I wrote my WAEC last year, but I wrote my WAEC this year, but these upcoming WAEC students that are trying to write WAEC next year, at least once they see any of these past questions online, they can make use of it. So let's just take one more question. Now this is number 2 question. From A point T on the horizontal ground, the angle of elevation of the top R of the top RS. So let's this place, let's here be the point T. On the ground, the angle of elevation of the top R of a top RS. Yes, so let's this particular area. Here, let's hear the R. This is the top and here the S. 38 meters of the height. Okay, that means the height of the tower is what? 38 meters. Is 63 degrees. So these are okay. It is on the same horizontal ground. And the angle of elevation of R. Angle of elevation of T to R. So this particular area is. So this is our 63 degree. So okay, calculate correct to the nearest meter distance between T and S. So this is T and this is S. So we are looking for what? Distance TS. This is distance TS. So we are going to make use of SOHCAHTOA, that is in our trigonometry, which is another topic on this one. You can go to the YouTube channel and watch one of my videos, trigonometry. So using SOHCAHTOA. Now this is TS. The particular side we are looking for of this triangle. This is the right angle triangle. Remember, this is our 90 degree. For us to solve this, this is our 90 degree. This is our 90 degree. This is our 90 degree. So TS. Opposite and adjacent. That is SOHCAHTOA. Opposite and adjacent. So that is our tan. That is tan 63 degree is equal to opposite, that is 38 all over TS, which is what we are looking for. So from here we can cross multiply. That is what? TS, that is when we cross multiply, is what? 38 all over 63 degree. So TS is equal to that is, we now do 38 divided by tan 63 degree, then we now get our what? TS. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. May Almighty God bless you, and please share, comment, and like this video. Please, I beg you. As I said before, my name is Shamini Akele-Best. I'm a student of the Conlight College, 99th corner. Please follow me, comment, and like my video. Thank you.